I will talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your uh, Dailymotion app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, clicking this sign down here, just click on it. You can to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here in your profile. Go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. You click here on settings, just click on it here. So you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Click here on push notifications here. So you come here to podcast live, clicking this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's me. Podcast live notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So thank you for your watching.